10 things you absolutely must do before moving to a different city. Country after retirement. Moving after retirement is a huge step. But before you make the move, here's what you must do. Without further delay, let's get started. 1. Research your destination. If you've already chosen your destination, read up on it. Immerse yourself in information. Make sure you know what to expect with money, work availability, weather, the economy, everything. The more knowledge you have, the better prepared you'll be when you arrive. Retire on My Budget allows you to compare the cost of living, healthcare index, pollution, crime and traffic of cities around the world. If you haven't chosen where you'll be headed yet, consider what country you'll move to and start comparing. 2. Save as much as you can. Prepare a budget to figure out how much you will need and how much you'll be spending when you get there. A good practice is to save up enough to cover 3 months of expenses and a return ticket, just in case. 3. Renew your passport plus sort out visas. Some countries require up to 12 months validity on your passport before you enter. Make sure you're aware of what will be required on arrival, and renew your passport beforehand if you have to. Figure out what visas you will need for your move, and get them sorted a few months before. Whatever you do, don't leave it until the last minute to sort out visas. One other thing to think about is renewing your driver's license. 4. Prepare your health. Some countries will require you to be immunized before you enter the country. Don't forget to stock up on any medications that you might need while you're away. Fill up any prescriptions you have and purchase enough medications to get by for as long as possible. 5. Organize insurance. Make sure your policy covers your health, cancellations for your bookings, and any belongings that would be costly to replace. I always make sure my laptop, camera, and jewelry will be insured. Also remember to cancel any other insurances you're currently paying, as you probably won't need them once you've left. 6. Sell everything you own. Start early. Sell the things that you won't need as soon as possible, and sell the rest a little closer to the date. Give away anything you no longer want to charity. 7. Move out of your place. Try to avoid moving out right before you leave. Moving out is stressful and takes a lot of time, so it's best to get it over and done with early. Find someone to stay with, parents, sibling, friend, etc. Then give yourself a little time to spare to prepare for your trip. If you own your own home, make arrangements to either sell it or to lease it out while you're away. You'll probably need to have someone managing the property if this is the case, so get onto that too. 8. Get cash and other essential items. Make sure you have a way of paying for things when you arrive. Arming yourself with a credit card, travel money card, or cash is a must. Stock up on a few other essential items so that you don't have to worry about buying stuff until you've settled in. Toiletries especially. 9. Cancel ongoing subscriptions, payments. There's probably a bunch of things that you pay for regularly without thinking too much about it, such as a gym membership, cable TV, or other subscription services related to your local area. Cancel anything that you won't be using after you leave. A good way to sort these out is to go through your bank statements for the past month or two, and take note of any regular payments that are deducted. Will you need to cancel some of these? 10. Organize a place to stay when you arrive. It's a good idea to have maybe a week of accommodation sorted for your arrival, just so that you have peace of mind. Make sure you double-check your bookings, and confirm you've got all your belongings before you leave. Hopefully after watching this, you're feeling pumped and motivated to experience the best phase of your life.